Prices are up 10.5% from 2022 year to date. It's Friday, June 16th, 2023. I'm Kimberly Barton of Kinetic Realty, your local market expert with this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report. Subscribe to stay updated on our local market and let me know what you want to know. 21401 is up 1% thus far over 2022. 21403 is up 17.8% year to date, and 21409 is up 10.1%. The median price for a home in Annapolis is just shy of $600,000. Inventory for Annapolis for sale has ticked up to 105 properties. 10 new properties hit the market since my last report. 22 homes are poised to hit the market as coming soon. 17 homes went under contract and 14 went pending. 26 sold over the past week, selling in just 5 days at 100.8% list to sold ratio. The highest priced home to sell was a waterfront in Hidden Point for $2,150,000. Homes for lease fell again this past week to 14, but rising to $3,250 per month. Well, that's a wrap for this week's Annapolis Real Estate Report for Friday, June 16th, 2023. Thanks so much for tuning in. Be safe and have a super weekend. I'll see you next week.